Children to bed. All other protocols. But my youth. Whoever just asked me where I was with your dad, you know it. Because I'm sorry to be late. But someone here. Before I say it, I want to announce to you that I am 2 years older than the last speaker.
Sorry.
Yesterday I turned 84 years. What I want to say to you youths is that we who saw the parliamentary system of government feel like fish from water. No matter how good an ability, can it survive?
No.
This is exactly how I'm feeling. I'm sorry for you people, because you know nothing but chaos in this country. Absolutely nothing. You and all my children you have never seen any good times in your life. There was a time people could travel at night without molestation in this country. People today, I said, we saw when we were singing God Save the Queen. I heard God Save the King before the father of Queen Elizabeth died. She was only 21 when she became the Queen of England. I was in school at that time. Things were normal. People were given what they deserved. Now you people finish your secondary school, your university, no job, then all kinds of crimes manifest. It is a pity. This is our country. You youth, you can spend, I'm not doing overtime here. It is your turn to take back your country. That's all I can say to you. Take back Nigeria, because it belongs to everybody, not to any particular race. I feel so bad when I see what is happening to our youth nowadays. Some years ago, I visited my children in the University of Minnesota. They were squatted in one small room, cooking for themselves, for God's sake. It's a disgrace. We are marching backwards. Are we going to reach the third age? Please, I'm begging you. Boys and girls, wake up. Wake up and take back your country. I want to thank Evangelist for inviting me. Because I've been with him, instructing, but I don't know. Our problems have become intractable in this country. You people should sit down and work out how to bring back Nigeria that I knew. I have spent my time. I have my boarding pass. If my flight is announced, I will board. And you will continue suffering if you don't do anything now. Thank you very much.
Please, another round of applause for Mommy Marion.